then this side is the cutting this and going all the way.
Why would you do that? What's
To
the
make
point
it a
of that?
blooper.
Just- you don't have to
Bloopers
make
are
a.
at the end.
Then don't put it in there in the first place.
Cookies and cream.
Okay. Welcome back to our videos. I'm Naomi and I'm Lauren. We have a special guest with us today. Joe Rock.
Today we get to make blizzards.
No, that's trademarked.
Today we're gonna make thick ice cream surprises.
Okay, so what do we do, Mom? Sorry.
It's really true. We did the
We need this. We're gonna scoop out the ice cream.
Should I blend them?
My hands smell like a dog.
Yeah, have you guys washed your hands?
I washed the dog.
How about you wash them?
Gosh, you haven't washed your hands since you washed the dog?
Just a dash of milk. We're gonna take a little more.
I think that's plenty.
Oh, that's...
You might need more milk. A centimeter of milk. That's good, that's good.
Can I give the
I
camera
would
a
say
close up?
less is more. You can always.
But I want chunks. Then don't do it a lot. Oh, I have to add the peanut butter now.
That's
She needs that. What? Joe just ate it. Why did I give it to you? You ate my Reese's Pieces?
Shane.
Quick.
There you go.
Alright. Still have all 10 of my fingers.
She wants to make it peanut butter, but she doesn't like peanut butter. A little bit like... Perfect. No. Go like this.
Ready?
Mom?
Tastes like peanut butter.
Nice one in this video.
Joe, have I been being mean?
No, of course not.
You might want to put it in a cup first.
We're full of opinions.
How's the thickness, Naomi?
Upside down thickness good?
Let's turn it upside. It's not a blizzard unless you can turn.
Upside really quick. Too much milk. That's on.
Somebody told him to add more.
That was Lauren.
Oh yeah.
That was good.
Dumb.
Mark, you now touched it.
What word is it?
Comfortable that the camera's down there.
Eye cream. Eye cream.
A young blonde Keanu Reeves drinks out of a blender. Oh man, Vitamix.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Oh wow.
This would be a good commercial for me. Oh.
I know.
Walks away like a champ.
Now say something. Say something.
We could try. No, let's try no milk.
Try no milk. He's the stud. 80% nothing.
So who's eating this?
You want more, right?
Can you take that wrapper off? I don't do TikTok.
Oh,
Caramel?
you got it.
Oh wow, that's a lot of caramel.
It's kind of pretty though.
Joe, how many Kit Kat do you want?
Give me a. That's plenty.
This isn't on it.
Oh.
That goes on.
Stop, give me.
Lauren, this isn't on it.
Oh.
Optimal thickness.
But you can turn it upside down.
Woo!
Oh,
You gotta put Kit Kat in it, Joe.
Yeah, you're right. Whoa, that's a lot.
Whoa, that's a lot of Kit Kat. Both packages of Snickers in one.
This mount might be a little hard. This is a really small.
I did that extra one.
For later.
Oh wait, I think I might have licked that one.
To the freezer. It's taking Where did Maren go?
She just fell in the freezer.
What's that?
Oh no, don't use your mouth.
Ew.
You was right.
Ew.
Hand sanitizer.
Don't touch it.
Oh, sanitizer.
You touch it.
That you never felt it.
Am I doing this right?
A dance break.
But
Am I supposed to shit? Because that looks really runny.
There, and then push. Nope, now turn it a little bit more.
Copper.
I refuse.
I'm gonna shut the cupboard door.
Never think that. Just great. Probably you guys.
Do you have a glass?
look at it before.
Is it turned out?
I'm equivalent to Madison Beer. Who sings that song? So this is Madison Beer, and she's an amazing singer. And this is me, and I am also an amazing singer. So that pretty much makes us equivalent.
I don't know what that means. I don't understand the words you're saying.
I'm just scared.
Do you think it's because of the chocolate syrup?
Because this melted.
Well, the caramel
yeah.
made mine stickier together.
Yeah.
Stickier together?
Yes.
Stick together.
It's okay, guys. You made it through college. Don't worry.
Not yet.
Mean.
She is mean.
I know.
Not mean. Just.
What do you think about your first appearance on Anything But Dinner? Was it intimidating being with working with such professionals? I mean, more the crew than the talent.
All of it is just overwhelming.
No, go get the other ones.
Okay.
So what should we do?
Dance.
Okay, what kind does everybody have? Get over there, Mama.
Is this mine?
Mine is a chocolate Snickers. And it's a little wet. Because it didn't freeze.
Is it
It
moist?
didn't. Moist.
What kind is yours?
Caramel Kit Kat. Yeah. Here, look at. I'll show you some live action here.
Good?
Boom goes the dynamite.
Man shoots it, and boom goes the dynamite. Boom goes the dynamite.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Naomi?
Mine is Reese's peanut butter cup with peanut butter ice cream. I would try it. It's really good.
How about you?
It is delicious.
What kind's yours?
I'm cold on my teeth. It's the chocolate Snickers.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Joe, for being a guest on our show.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Be sure to thank your sponsors.
And our sponsors.
Anything But Dinner.
Thank you,
Juices.
everybody.